So this is how you can restore or recover your Roblox account. So I'm going to open up Roblox real quick, and as you can see, I am signed in. But I'm just gonna go sign out so that you can have the full experience and the full tutorial. Tap on log out, and now we're here. So simply tap on sign in, and as you can see, just put your username over here. If you forgot your username, it might be a bit hard to recover, but if you have your username, it will be very easy. So what you're going to want to do is simply tap on forgot password or username. And once you get to this website over here or this page, you're simply going to want to recover your account by either using your email or your phone number. So if you remember your email, then good. That's what you're going to want to use. But if you don't, and if you remember your phone, use that instead. But if you remember neither, then I don't think there will be another way for you to recover your account very easily unless you actually email the support team of Roblox. So let's just assume that you know your email or your phone. It's actually the same process, just simply send or just simply type in your either your email or your phone, and it's going to send you a code. And then after that, the code will be accepted, and then you will be able to set a new password, or they will send you the username that you've forgotten. So whether it's your username or your password that you forgot, it's very simple. If you know your email, if you know the email that you used and the phone number that you used, you will be able to log back into your account no matter what. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can recover your Roblox account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.